hair oil, you know, because if they have oils, the fiber will go to suck the oil and become a spot there. And then I comb it a little bit. Okay, I comb a little bit. And then apply the hair fiber to it. So in second, it looks completely full.
That's interesting.
Yeah? Okay. And then comb it again. Yeah, hair fiber. Hair like fiber. Polyester fiber. Like your clothes.
Like here?
Yeah.
Color or not?
Got K on. They have it come in different color to match your hair color. This is a normal hairspray. So, and then last for whole day. Last for as long as you wash it out, until you wash it out. Just as simple as such. Right? So have you seen it? Yeah. Will you take